Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on the Xbox app. First, ensure your Xbox app is correctly installed and fully updated on your device. Next, log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This is crucial for accessing your games. Finally, double-check that your internet connection is stable and strong. A reliable connection ensures a seamless download and gameplay experience, preventing any frustrating interruptions. These initial steps are vital for a smooth start to your Minecraft adventure on the Xbox app. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Library or Games section within the Xbox app. This is where all your owned and available titles reside. Use the search bar, typically found at the top, to type in Minecraft and locate the game quickly. After finding it, simply select the Minecraft title and click the Install button. The download size can vary, often around 1 GB, so be patient as it prepares for your exciting gameplay. With Minecraft successfully installed, it's time to jump into the action. Head back to your game library within the Xbox app. You'll see the Minecraft icon prominently displayed there. Click on it to launch the game. Once the game loads, you'll be presented with the main menu. From here, select Play, and then you can either create new world to start fresh or join an existing world with friends. Get ready to build and explore. To truly enjoy Minecraft, understanding the basics is key. Familiarize yourself with the controls for movement, mining blocks, and crafting essential items. Your first priority should be gathering resources like wood from trees and stone from the ground to construct a basic shelter before nightfall. Don't forget to explore. Different biomes offer unique materials and creatures, adding endless possibilities to your building and survival. These foundational tips will help you thrive in your new blocky world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.